Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef Adrian Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
We're gonna make some corn nacho chips. And to start, we're gonna go in with 1 cup of fine grained cornmeal and 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. We're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and this is going to give us a nice color. We're going to go in with a teaspoon of salt to taste and 1 pack of white cheddar mix from your macaroni and cheese mix. This is optional, but I want to get a nice cheesy taste in my nacho chips. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of dried oregano to give it that nice herb feel. Mix all of that together and then we're going to go in with 1/4 cup of water to make a nice smooth dough. So you're going to lift and press until you bring that to a nice tacky dough. The dough should be nice and tacky, firm to the touch, not too sticky and not too dry, because further on we're going to add a little bit of all-purpose flour to roll these out and we don't want them to be too dry. Wrap that up, set it aside for about 30 minutes. Now we're going to flour your clean work surface with a little bit of flour. Then we'll cut those into a 1/2 inch thick squares. Roll those into mini golf size balls. Sprinkle with a little bit of all-purpose flour. So flour your rolling pin and then we're going to roll these out nice and thin as possible. Flip that over and repeat. Now this is about a 6 inch wide and we're going to use a fork to dot that just so it doesn't puff up on us while frying. You're going to divide this into 8 equal pieces using a pizza cutter, or if you have a knife, that is totally fine. And there you go, they're nice and thin. We're going to put those onto some grease paper just so they don't stick. And we're going to repeat until we get our desired amount. You're going to bring about 3 cups of oil to about 330 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're going to slide those chips right in. Allow them to fry for about 2 to 3 minutes or until you're nice and golden brown. And look at that, nice and golden brown. Allow them to drain, then add them onto a paper towel. Now I'm going to show you how to get your chips nice and thick. So we're not going to be rolling those out as flat as we did the first batch. We're going to roll them out into about 3 inch wide so they have a little bit of thickness to it, right? We're just going to dot that with our fork and then cut these into 4 equal pieces versus the 8 piece as seen before. And look at that. These are a little bit thicker if you want your chips to be crunchier, right? Look at the comparison. One is thinner and one is thicker. The one that we roll out in 3 inches makes them a bit thicker. And we're going to fry these in the same 330 degrees Fahrenheit oil for about 2 to 3 minutes or until they're nice and golden brown. And look how crispy, how crunchy, golden brown nacho chips that you made for yourself. Drain those and put them onto a paper towel. These are the ones that were rolled out very thinly and these are the thicker ones. Choose your choice. Leave a thumbs up on the video, leave a comment below, and say if you love my vibe, don't forget to hit subscribe. Jano, try it out at home, you won't be disappointed. Once again, thank you very much for watching. You see, until next time, safe travel upon the gravel and go and big up on yourself.